Hi, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and today we are going to be talking about true love, and that is the love of chocolate. We are making my healthy chocolate mug cake. All right, so to start out, we combine our dry ingredients, and we are making everything right inside this little coffee mug. So I'm gonna start out with some white whole wheat flour. This is 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and that gives this mug cake a really deep, rich, chocolatey taste. Next, adding a little bit of baking soda, and then a pinch of salt. Take a fork and just stir together my dry ingredients. And then now I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So starting with some milk, you can use any kind of milk you like. Next, in place of using oil, I'm using Greek yogurt. Again, if you need it to be dairy-free, you can just swap in dairy-free yogurt here. Next, we're going to add one of the best ingredients of all time, peanut butter. Now, to sweeten it up naturally, I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup. Just 2 tablespoons are all you need. Always make sure that you are using pure maple syrup. There is a world of difference between the real deal and imitation maple syrup. All right, now we mix again. This takes just about a minute to make sure that all of the lumps are broken up and that it's really smooth. As you mix, be sure that you really reach the fork down into the bottom of your mug, especially if your mug is a little narrower like mine is. That ensures that all of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients get nicely incorporated and that your cake has a perfect texture. I still need to add another ingredient, and that is chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. Peanut butter chips and white chocolate chips would both be delicious here too. This is about 2 tablespoons, and that makes for a plenty fudgy cake, but if you want it extra super rich and fudgy, you can throw in a few extra too. So now I just stir one more time to fold in my chocolate chips. Our cake is assembled in our mug, and now it is going to cook in 90 seconds flat. We are going to bake it in the microwave. Check this out. After just a minute and a half in the microwave, I've got my fudgy, soft cake around the outside and this super molten chocolate lava center in the middle. I'm gonna add just a few little fun extras that make this even more special. Number 1, whipped cream. Beautiful. And then just for fun, a little shower of rainbow sprinkles. Well, if this isn't just the most perfect little chocolate fix, I don't know what is. If you'll excuse me, I have a date with this chocolate mug cake. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and I hope that you enjoy this fudgy chocolate mug cake just as much as I do.